Hello, my name is Jonathan Sinaga. I am majoring in computer and network engineering. Currently, I am looking for a position in your company. At Lam Seng Young Company Private Limited with the position of IT support engineer. I have always been interested in the IT field. My interests are creating LAN network, creating hotspot networks, and maintaining networks. I am able to work in a team, have high curiosity, and good communication skills. Feel free to connect with my number and Gmail. Thank you for lending your time to watch my video. Cover letter.